Hello and welcome to the Trader Challenge. Now that you have set up your Alphachain Global Markets MT4 demo account, what are the next steps? So the key area that we're going to focus on in this tutorial is the symbols you can trade. Okay, so let's start off by bringing up our web page. So let's bring up our website. We go to Get Funded, and if you scroll down, you want to go to the section where it shows you what assets you can trade. So this will be under your FAQs, under Tradable Asset List, and these are your assets. Okay, so you have your Forex majors, Forex crosses, and then we have some equity indices as well as commodities. So if I minimize this, once you've opened your platform should look similar to this. You have your market watch on the left hand side, the navigator, your trade information below. You have your charts. There are some additional features which you can get to know over the time period of the Trader Challenge. But all we're focusing on is the symbols. As you can see, there are not that many symbols displayed. So we need to view the correct amount of symbols. So let's do that. So what you can do is, let me just minimize this screen. If we bring up that same web page, and what we're going to do is just fit it in correctly so that we can see the correct assets. And there we are. I might want to just maybe bring that out a little bit. There we go. So these are your main assets. Again, let me just zoom out. Right, so you should be able to see all the assets you're looking to trade. So under Market Watch, if you click on what we're looking for is symbols, and these are the list of your assets. Okay, so let's hide. So as you can see, it's broken down into asset classes. Generally anyway, you've got your majors, exotics, commodities, indices, oils, cryptos, right? So on the Trader Challenge, you will not be trading cryptos. So that's one area that you're not going to be trading, okay? So if I just open this up, these will be all hidden, all grayed out, okay? But under your majors, we want to go with all of these key majors over here, right? So we have euro dollar. So double click this, and that will automatically be displayed. Or if you just, for example, Kiwi dollar, click it once and then click on show, and then you should be able to add that asset. Okay, so we're only focusing on the majors, so that includes dollar CAD, we've got dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar, cable, euro dollar, Aussie dollar. Okay, so we've got our majors in. So we want to look into some of the exotic pairs, or should we say cross-currency pairs within this. Again, follow the same process, right? So you've got Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss, Aussie Yen, all of these assets over here. So in total, your majors and cross-currency pairs, you have 28 across the board. So that's your Aussie dollar, Aussie Swiss, Aussie Yen, Aussie Kiwi, CAD Swiss, CAD Yen, Swiss Yen, Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro Swiss. We're not trading this asset here. Then we've got Euro Sterling, Euro Yen. We look through Sterling Aussie, Sterling CAD, Sterling Swiss, Sterling Yen, Sterling Kiwi. We're not trading South African Rand. We've got Kiwi CAD, Kiwi Swiss, Kiwi Yen. We're not trading Chinese Yuan or Mexican Peso. We're not trading any of these. Again, we go down to the list, make sure that we've collected or clicked on all the correct assets. So there we are. Those are the assets. And then under commodities, again, we want to follow the same process here. We've got commodities and some indices included in this. So let's start with equity indices. Equity indices you want to trade. You want to be focusing on these majors over here. So we're looking at some of the European markets and some of the US markets. Okay, so we've got the German 30, Dow Jones, the S&P 500. We have an S&P 500 mini. It's your choice whether you want to trade this or this. They're both the exact same asset. Then we have US Tech. And yeah, I think that UK 100. Okay, and that covers those assets. Okay, that covers those assets, right? In addition to that, under commodities, you have gold. So XAU USD. This is your gold against the USD, right? And then we go into oils, and we want to highlight both Brent and crude. Okay, and that is your list of assets. Okay, and those will be displayed, as you can see, under Market Watch. So these are all the assets you can trade. As you can see, market is currently live. You can see it's moving up and down. Price, the bid and ask is being shown there. There we are. Those are the assets you can trade. Yeah. So please do refer back to your Trader Challenge guidelines in regards to which assets you can trade. In addition to that, it's also on the website main page under Tradable Asset List within the FAQs. Okay, and these are the assets you can trade. If you do not trade, if you trade any other asset that's not within this list, that will automatically terminate you from the Trader Challenge. Okay, so make sure you trade the correct assets. Thank you for listening. Take care. Bye bye.